Hi, I'm Ashley Jourabchi from ASB.
And I'm Nathan Gabayan from KBEV. This is the week of April 26th.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Starting this week, all students are now eligible to return back to campus on any day, regardless of their assigned cohorts. The bell schedule will remain largely the same, with students starting at 9:35 and ending at 3:10, but each week, classes alternate to have a day 1 to day 2 pattern every day. For the full updated schedule, visit the link in the video description.
If you're a senior applying to Santa Monica College, please review Ms. Rowley's recent email regarding free workshops, open house, and resources to take advantage of making your transition to SMC easy. Tours and workshops will be continuously happening until the end of the month. Seniors heading to SMC, please look for the email for any additional information.
Van Nuys Airport and the Valley Economic Alliance are working together to make an aviation career event. On Friday, April 30th, from 10 to 11:30 a.m., hear from first responders, the FAA, the military, and more to find out about the aviation field. To attend, email your teachers for permission by April 22nd, register for the fair at the link in the video description, and complete the attendance form for the attendance office. We hope everyone enjoys the fair.
West LA College is now offering free college classes this summer for high school students. You'll need to obtain an active LACC ID number, complete the supplemental application for grades K through 12, and log on to enroll in a class. Visit the link below for a full list of recommended classes and registration instructions.
Please visit the link in the video description to witness Beverly Hills High School's first virtual art show. The show features pieces from students enrolled in design, drawing, photography, sculpture, and animation. There is also an active fundraiser going on for the programs. For more information, head to the Artsonia link in the video's description.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Ashley Jourabchi.
And I'm Nathan Gabayan. We will see you next week.